What's going on, guys? The yes, you are recording.
Oh, it's recording now.
Yes, it's recording now. You check these.
Take it.
All right, guys, but for real, this is not a laughing matter. This man's FoxBody got stolen. It's a 1988 hatchback FoxBody 5.0, and we need your help because this man loves his car.
Miley.
Yes, Miley. This was his dream car, so he wants it back. Ain't that right there?
Hey, yeah.
I'll put pictures up at the end of the video so you can figure out what it looked like and whatnot. It's a white one with a red stripe on the side.
And red interior.
And red interior, yes. With a Hearst shifter. That's probably the only different thing about it. It's got a Hearst shifter.
What do you mean? It's the only white one with red interior in our area.
True, but you know.
And it was one in good condition.
Yeah. Apparently, the person that took the car hit his brother's car and their neighbor's car, so it might be damaged. Might be damaged on the driver's side and the passenger side in the rear.
The door is what hit Chris's car, so the door is probably messed up. And then right where the brake light is where it hit the other car.
You'll see the video on it. So when we show you, we'll show you the video. But yeah, we at work right now and we just found out about this, so we trying to put out the word.
Yeah, put out an Amber Alert for Mrs. Miley.
Amber Alert for Mrs. Miley. Yep.
Hashtag bring her back.
Hashtag bring her back.
Poor Miley.
See, he's such a good guy. He's still having a good sense of humor for something that, like, to be honest, I'll be like...
No words.
Yeah. I'm just look at y'all and just be like, my car got stolen. Bring it back.
Bring it back.
But alright guys, this is going to be the end. We just want to make this quick video real quick to get the word out there for people to find it. Because even if it's like have no wheels on it on the side of the road or something like that, we still want to find it. Because I mean, you can get wheels for it. It's the fact that it was a family car. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I guess he don't want it then.
Hey, let me. If my wheels are gone, you gonna let me a set of wheels?
Yes, I would lend you a set of wheels.
All right, would you let me have them off one wheels?
No, I won't let you.
Because those are going on the Ranger.
All right, guys, this is it. We're done. Cue clips, videos, pictures of Miley.
There it goes.
Download the app and say, Russell, goodbye. Stop.
The only thing we love more than slinging.
Showing folks how easy it is.
Explore all the possibilities.
Your first time slinging isn't always so special.
I cried my first
You know
time.
how
Get live TV, only $15 your first month at slingtv.com.
Almost perfect. The only thing missing is you. That's why I trust you, Harmony.
No one can connect you with high-quality singles like eHarmony. That's why every 14 minutes, someone finds love on eHarmony. Start free today.
I'm mildly obsessed with numbers. So I started with the stats regarding my moderate to severe plaque psoriasis. Like how Humira has been prescribed to over 300,000 patients. And how many patients saw clear or almost clear skin in just 4 months. The kind of clearance that...
So we got some, I guess, some bittersweet news.
Oh, sorry.
So,
That's the girlfriend. Just like, gotta text you back.
So, got some good news and some bad news. And what's the good news?
Got the car back.
Yep, we got the FoxBody back. What's the bad news?
It's messed up.
Yeah, it's not too bad in shape, but I mean,
Got a nice little paint job on it.
yeah. I'll show you pictures.
Multicolor.
They
Carpet ripped up.
ripped up the carpet?
Yeah.
Oh,
They
God.
ripped it up trying to take out the sub. From the back seat all the way up.
Oh, my goodness.
I got all that put back together now, though. Then they had all their garbage in there. Beer cans, gas can, needles, clothes.
Hold on.
Burger King.
Needles.
Needles.
Needle.
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 It's used.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
God.
almost fainted when I saw it.
Yeah. It's pretty bad. And what they do to ignition?
They ripped it out. Like that plastic piece that goes underneath it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess they didn't know how to take the key out, so they ripped that out instead of pushing the button to turn the key, because the keys were still in it, and they were on the on position, so the battery was dead.
So all the steering column is messed up.
I don't know the extent of it yet. All I did was just clean out all the garbage and put the carpet back, clean it out.
Yeah.
And then I got it to start, put a battery in it, fix that little, pretty much kill switch at this point. Rewired the kill switch, then the air filter housing, they took that off. They had the air filter laying on top of the engine and the housing in the back of the car, so it was running open throttle body. So I'm
Maybe
sure,
because it kept on dying and they were just like,
or they were trying to get some more airflow and trying to hot rod it. And then when they ripped out the stereo, they ripped out the kill switch and they couldn't get it started.
what else is missing from it?
My radio, my sub, my shift knob, and my rear view mirror. That I've noticed so far. Then they ripped out my sun visors.
Really?
Yep. Ripped those out. Took the rear view mirror. And I had a whole box of cleaning supplies in the back. And when I got it back, all I had was wax left. The car was dirty when they took it. It came back clean, but was spray painted all over it.
Well,
They used all my tire shine, had a full can, it was empty. My tires are shiny. And I think they replaced the serpentine belt.
really?
Yeah, because when I was cleaning it out, I found an old one that was like dry rotted, and I compared it to the one that was in there, and it looked like they replaced it. Then again, I didn't look too hard. It was pouring down rain. I got soaked and went swimming, trying to get it up on the trailer. And then, of course, it stops raining after that. Then when we get to my house, try to unload the car, it decides it's going to start pouring down again. And of course, right when I put it in my driveway, it completely stops.
There was a freaking spider on my arm.
Yeah, and they had that 5-gallon gas can in the back.
He said they think they probably about to burn it.
Yeah, apparently all the cars that they found so far, this is what the Memphis PD told me when they were there. They said that I was lucky to even have the car in one piece. He said that all the ones they found so far has been because they were set on fire.
Yeah.
And then they had the gas can in the back. So,
Well, if you need any extra parts, I found this website last night called FoxBody Restorations. So,
I need a
some
shift knob,
co-workers. Yeah, they got shift knobs, all
rear
that
view
stuff.
mirror. I need a radio and my sub back.
We really need to check out that page because, I mean, a lot of stuff that was on there was extremely cheap. And it's like stock FoxBody stuff. And since I'm using the new edge steering wheel in my car, my FoxBody, you can borrow you can use mine. I just give it to you.
I have the steering wheel still. It's loose.
Well,
Oh boy.
Well, you could just have mine because I'm not going to do anything with it.
Does it have cruise control?
Yes, it does.
Okay. My cruise control doesn't work, but I need it to work.
We're going to help him out.
Need to repaint it.
Yeah. It's probably going to end up being another project on the YouTube channel. I'm not even going to lie to you because, I mean,
It needs to stay white though, white and red. Or
they have those too. The little tape that goes around it. They have it for like $10.
Yeah, but see, I'm pretty sure I want to keep it red, but then I saw a
All white one.
no, a black one with the red stripe, and it looked really good. So, but I'm staying it. It's staying white.
Okay, sure.
It is. It's going to stay white. But if I ever did decide, it would go black with the red stripe, with the red interior.
Alright.
because I already have black and red interior. So it's staying white though. I'm not gonna change the color.
We gotta wait for this wind, because I know the wind is picking it up, and it's gonna sound like. But alright guys, we gotta get back to work. Do what we gotta do. It was just a quick video we made. But
Cue the outro.
cue the outro. You gotta smack the camera. Shoot it.